Hello friends, welcome to Full House Flavors. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are sharing a recipe that is super easy to make, ready in minutes and yummy to taste. Our 3-bean salad is one of our favorites from Full House family. It has just the right amount of spices and seasoning that brings out all the flavors you would want for your palate. It's very appetizing, aromatic and flavorful that you cannot resist. You can enjoy the salad for everyday lifestyle, serve it to your friends, family, healthy pack of nutrients that we all want in today's lifestyle. So let's check out the ingredients to make this delicious 3-bean salad. So for this recipe, we are using 3 different kinds of beans and hence goes 3-bean salad. We are using chickpeas, we are using the red kidney beans and the black beans. And we have used the beans which comes in cans, which is readily available in our pantry and easier to store. And in this salad, we are going to use some fresh vegetable, some bell peppers. We have used orange bell pepper and red bell pepper. And we are also using some lemon and English cucumber. We have used this cucumber because this has really thin skin and you can just chop it and put it in the salad. You don't have to peel off the skin. Some green chili and 2 cloves of garlic and some red onion and coriander leaves finely chopped. And for the dressing, we are using some sesame seed, olive oil and red wine vinegar. And we are using kosher salt here. Well, you can use even regular salt as well, and some black pepper. So these are all the ingredients we are going to need for the salad. So let's get started. So to start with, we are going to cut all our veggies of the capsicum, onion, and we have to make it like fine pieces because this salad is very colorful. And we want to enjoy the flavor coming out of all these veggies, pepper, cucumber, onion, and with the dressing. So we want to keep the sizes even so that, when we eat it, you're kind of tasting out all these veggies and with the dressing. And there's no rule here in this salad. I mean, whatever veggies you like, you can add. It's just that we like this flavor of cucumber and onion and bell pepper. When combined with dressing, it really brings out the flavor with the beans. So we have chosen here these veggies, but you can add whatever you like. And accordingly, you can either increase or decrease the quantity of your favorite veggies. So that's perfectly fine. But we want to keep it here for this specific salad, equal amount of for all these cucumber, onion, peppers. And we love this combination of colors. I mean, look at that, the red pepper, green cucumber, the red onion. It really brings out the look and enhances the beauty and the taste of the salad, and that's the beauty of it. And I make this salad quite often when I have friends coming over the weekends or just use it for my family, And the best part is all these things are always available in our house, in our pantry. And the garlic really adds a tangy flavor to the salad. And I love the combination of garlic and olive oil and sesame seed. I think it enhances the flavor of any salad, in my opinion. And we are adding 2 green chili here, finely chopped. But if you do not like the spicy salad, you can avoid this. And we are making it very, very fine pieces for this green chili. So we are adding here 2 different kinds of bell pepper, red and orange, since we already have green color from cucumber. But if you like to add green bell pepper as well, you can add it in the salad too. So we are almost done chopping all our veggies, and we are keeping it even sizes so that it mixes well, it looks good, and when you're taking a bite, you are getting a flavor from all the veggies and beans and equal amounts. So that really is the brings up the flavor. Alright, so now that we have put all our veggies in a bowl, and look how colorful it looks already with the orange, with the red, green. It's really looking yummy already. So now we will make a dressing for the salad. So for this we have taken equal amount of red wine vinegar and olive oil, which is about 2 spoon of olive oil and 2 spoon of vinegar, and about a quarter spoon of sesame seed. And now we are going to add our garlic and green chili that we had chopped earlier, and we have to mix it all, and we have to give it a good whisk to this dressing. Now this dressing is what going to make our salad pop. This whisking of olive oil and the red wine vinegar and the garlic is really going to enhance the flavor of the salad. Now let's pour our dressing into our salad, and look how nice it's looking already. And we have to mix all the ingredients well and mix up all the dressing so that all our veggies are nicely soaked and nicely mixed up. And now we are going to add our beans to this bowl. So we are using these canned beans here for this recipe. So first we have drained the water and rinsed with fresh water before we have used here in the salad. And I love the color of these beans, the light red kidney beans, black beans and garbanzo beans. It looks really amazing combination. And now our finely chopped coriander leaves, and we are using the kosher salt on top of it, or you can even use regular salt if you don't have kosher salt, and some freshly grounded black pepper. And now it's time to give it a final mix, and look at the color. I mean, doesn't it look very appetizing and tempting? And it smells this aroma of the combination of olive oil and red wine vinegar. It is really mouth-watering right now as I'm making it. And no salad is complete without lemon. It's time to do a final touch-up, some fresh lemon juice on this salad. One final round of mix, and that's it. Here you go, my friends. Your salad is ready. Share your comments or feedback if you like it, or if you have any question, feel free to write us in the message. And check out our other recipes on our channel too. And if you like our channel and you like our recipes, please do give us a like and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already. Here you go, my friend. Enjoy your salad. Thank you for watching.